everyone! So since we've been learning a lot about DNA, I thought it'd be really cool if we could make an edible model that shows us the shape and structure of DNA. So to make this model, what you're going to need are 2 pieces of licorice, 10 toothpicks, and 20 marshmallows. So I have 5 green ones, 5 mini orange ones, 5 pink ones, and 5 yellow ones. So basically, DNA has a really cool structure. It's a double helix. So that's basically like a twisted ladder. And once we finish this model, you'll see exactly what that looks like. So DNA has basically 2 backbones. And these backbones are made out of sugars and phosphates. And that's what the Twizzlers are going to represent. So DNA actually stands for Deoxyribonucleic Acid. Just a little fun fact. Okay, so we have our 2 phosphate sugar backbones. And what we have, these different colored marshmallows are the different bases. So DNA has these 4 bases that are nitrogenous bases, which means that they contain nitrogen. The bases are adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. And these bases are really kind of cool because they only pair with certain ones. So A always pairs with T, and C always pairs with G. Kind of like apple in the tree, car in the garage. So what we are going to do is we're going to figure out what we want each colored marshmallow to represent. So I'm going to have the green ones represent adenine, the pink ones represent thymine, orange cytosine, and the yellow guanine. So that means the green and the pink are always going to pair together, and the orange and the yellow are always going to pair together, just as how the bases do in DNA. So to make your DNA model, what you're going to do is you're going to put the bases that pair together on the same toothpick, just like so. They're going to kind of sit in the middle, and then you're going to insert the ends of the toothpicks into the licorice backbone, kind of like that. So basically, just a fun fact, the bond between the 2 bases is called a hydrogen bond. So next I want C and G to be together. And I'm just going to put them on the Twizzler backbone, or licorice. So the thing about DNA is that it contains all of the genetic information that makes you, you. You inherit it from your parents, and it's found in all of your cells in the cell nucleus, which is kind of like the control center of the cell. It's really cool. Okay, so now that we have our completed DNA model, we can now find out what a double helix is. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the top and take the bottom, and you're going to twist in separate directions. So what you're going to see is it's kind of like a twisted ladder. And that's how DNA is in real life, except it's like really tight and packed down. Hope you enjoy!